That's a first. Just when you think you don't have any firsts left in life, at this age, there are always firsts left, always something new to learn. So first time doing a container. I've hauled a container before on a step deck, but that was it. So this time I came into the port and they took the container off the chassis. I picked up the whole unit last night at our yard, my new spot where I belong, and delivered it in Tampa. Like I told you earlier, it was a container full of tires. Ooh, it's bumpy. And brought the empty back to the port. Complete port virgin right here. So now my port cherry poppin', and gonna check out and see how this goes. Always something new for show. And going to find out where I go drop this chassis. Okay, and just like that, dropping the chassis and keep on trucking. Where are you and what are you doing? I found an amazing company that I will share with you here in time. But we got some port work going on, and thank goodness to my open deck and oversized experience, I have partnered with some really awesome people, an awesome woman that dispatches me, and I plan on doing a little bit of everything. YOLO. And you all know I'm the biggest sponge of wanting to absorb and eager to learn ever. So, port cherry popped, thanks to Cherry Popper and Miles. So stay tuned. I have a feeling that there's going to be a lot of different stuff going on, and that suits me just well. It's Jacinda Lady Trekking. Coming at ya.